Hi guys, you're on the Tim's Clay channel and today we will create the yellow monster from the Rainbow Friends game. This yellow monster looks like a chicken and in his orange beak there are 4 rows of teeth. First, I make a sketch on paper and determine the size of our monster. And then I created an aluminum wireframe. To save plasticine, I made the body and head out of foil. Hey guys, do you like my Roblox chicken? Don't forget to put like. By the way, I have a Facebook group where I post 2 plasticine figures that you send me. Subscribe, send photos of your figurines that you made from plasticine, and on my channel I will publish them in videos. It was Team Clay, and see you.